Yellow, good morning, everybody. Thank you for joining me for this live stream. Again, today it's going to be, today is May 29th, Friday, May 29th. It's going to be the last week of trading for, it's going to be the last day of trading for this week. So, welcome. I am a little bit better today compared to the last couple of days as far as sleep goes. I did just wake up about 30 minutes ago. Still a little bit sleepy, but I don't feel tired. So I can feel myself becoming a little bit more alert. Which the only reason I'm mentioning that is because the last couple of days I've been struggling with sleep, either because I slept too much earlier and I couldn't go to sleep early enough for to wake up for the market. And so, as you can see in the last couple of streams, I struggle with that. But it seems like today I'm gonna be okay. Hopefully, um, hopefully that's gonna be a lot. That's gonna allow me to perform a little bit better than I've done. As if you saw yesterday's stream, you saw that I got in as soon as the market opened. I didn't really let the price settle for the stocks that I found, so I ended up losing. Uh, I lost, I think, two back to back, and then I recovered a little bit with one of the same ones with Hertz, and then I think I had three or four back to back losses. In fact, I'll show you guys right now. Let's start out with the journal so you can see how yesterday went. And so right here, you'll see that yesterday, so right off the bat, I started out with a dollar loss from Hertz, which is 3.61%. Remember, I'm trying to keep losses to less than 2% and keep wins above 4%. So I had two losses back to back that were higher than 2%. And then I did pretty good the second time with Hertz after I let the price settle a little bit. And then I identified an upward trend. I got in it. I got in a good point. I got out at a good point, but then I made the mistake of re-entering without letting the price really show me proof that it was going to move up. And so I lost 2% on that one. This one, I managed to, I did lose on this one, but I managed to cut losses early enough. So I did with this one as well. This one, not so much. I lost 10% off of that one. As you can see, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 transactions yesterday, I lost on 6 of them, and 4 of them were above 2%. And so yeah, it was a pretty deep cut. I mean, we're talking about paying dollars, but if this happened when I started investing, 100, 200, $300, obviously that would have been a bigger loss than necessary, just because of the mistakes that I made. But as you can see, I lost $4.30. It's the most that I've lost since I started. The previous one was 268, and yeah, so we're gonna try to be careful. Try to make a little bit better decisions today. I'll welcome you to the stream. If you're out there and you want to chit chat while we're waiting for the market to open, let me know. Put some comments or questions on the chat, because I know that that's maybe a little bit too slow. My style here might be a little bit too slow, a little bit too boring for some of you guys. So I would encourage you to join in and ask questions, or maybe give me some tips, some advice. Okay, so let's start with finding some stocks today. All right, so start off with the notepad here. All right, so let's go to use and use. Now we're working with 199. We arrange it by volume. As you can see, we got a few that are, look at this one. This one's 8.8 million shares for the volume here. My stomach is starting to hurt, so I might have to step away soon. Let's see. So party. Oh wow, that's PRTY party. That's one. And then we got CGC. Okay, another one mark just popped up, and then we got SNOA. GE again popped up from a couple days ago. AVO, Avail. We got MEIP. Okay, Bank of America popped up again. I'm gonna leave that one for another day. BCS also popping up. It's kind of low on the volume though, so I don't know if I want to get into that one. It looks like Twitter's being beat up because of everything that's going on with Trump. Okay, let's just in order for just to have more options, I'm gonna add SQQQ there again, since it's still reasonably cheap. And then yeah, I think we'll leave it at that. Let's check out ESNT. Wait, no, BAC, Bank of America is cheaper. So that's 10 different stocks here. Okay, and we're gonna import that, paste, okay, and save. So we're done with this one right here. I appreciate you guys watching, so make sure you comment, ask questions on the chat. Okay, so let's start with Avail, which is pharmaceuticals again. A lot of pharmaceuticals are showing up this week. I guess with the pandemic, that's what you would expect. Let's see. It's not necessarily a good thing though, because what was it? 2 days ago, every major airline showed up on the pre-market, but it didn't really execute, or it didn't really live up to the hype during the actual trading day. So let's go to the daily chart. Avail's been picking up. It was at a low of 223. Right now we're looking at 921 in about a month, 2 months. It's a big gap. I wish I could have gone in here. Look at that, 4 to 7. Okay, it is uptrending, but I just had a huge drop here. Yesterday it was green, so I wonder if today is going to be green. We don't know yet, but let's check it out. What are we looking at here? We saw that there was a previous drop right here. As you can see, it was a resistance and then became a support. And then this one, that might be an area where it's going to struggle today if it gets up there. I don't know why the zoom is not working right now. Okay, let me clear this one since we got into it a while ago, and I still have all the drawings. Clear drawing set, yes. So you can see we bought down here. It's been picking up ever since. You see how this resistance became a support, so it might be bouncing back up today. If it stays true to this map, it might be turning from a resistance to a support. As you can see, it gapped up over here, and then it just kind of came back down. You guys, my stomach's starting to hurt, so yeah, and then we'll mark this current resistance. Alright, this one I see a lot of gaps, a lot of gapping. I'm not sure what that means, but it did break through earlier and now has a new resistance and support. Okay, we got into this one. Okay, yeah, I remember this one. Let me see. It looks like 2 days ago. Okay, let's clear the drawings. All right. Again, thank you for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Okay, so this one's uptrending big time. It was down here at $13 on the 15th. Now we're looking at 21. What's that? Not even 2 weeks later. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days. It almost doubled. Wait, no, not double. What am I talking about? 13, 20. Close. Okay, there we go. GE had a big drop. So because it dropped so much yesterday, and we got in it a couple days ago, then we might be looking at a recovery today. I'm not sure, or it could continue to drop. You never really know. You can see it had a couple of gap ups and then a big drop. Okay, so what did we make money on this one before? I'm looking at the journal right now, looking for GE. Where we at? A couple of days ago, right? So GE, yep, we made just a little bit, 21 cents. It looked like we were in there a couple of times, so 21 cents. Okay, just the one. Yeah, we just got in there once for 21 cents. And that was it. CGC, we got in CGC before. We made 10 cents from that. Not a huge amount. Let's see. I'm trying to see if there's another. Okay. So we made some money and then we lost some money. We made 10 cents, then lost 20 cents, and then we made 11, 12 cents. Yeah, so win and lose so far with that one. Okay, so it's GE. And then we got Remark Holdings. Had a big drop yesterday, so it might recover today. I'm not sure. It could follow this trend here where it dropped twice. Went up big one day and then dropped 4 days consecutively, so we might be looking at that too. Okay, so that's the bottom right there. Nape Pharma, another pharmaceutical play, as they call them. It had 4 green days and it's up to 3 red days so far. So Party City. Oh, Party City, I know that one. That's the supply store. Had a big gap up over here previously. I wonder if that's going to be significant. Sonoma Pharmaceuticals, another one. Okay, so that's the top right here. It's interesting because the tops are actually getting lower, so you can see it's consolidating on the daily chart, but it's uptrending on the same on the daily chart here. So it could be continuing to go down. I'm not sure. And SQQQ, that one, it keeps showing up. It must be a really popular play for a lot of people to get into. Clear drawings. I think the last time we got into it, we lost. But it continues to downtrend. So as you can see, overall, it was at 48, and now it's back down to 9. Okay, so let's move on to the 5 minutes. Okay, we're looking at 5 minutes here, and that seems, see how this resistance, the support turned into a resistance in the pre-market today. So I wonder if it's going to break through that. It had a huge movement. That's why it popped up today. We got up to as high as $13 from a closing of somewhere around 9. So it went up $4 and it dropped almost within a couple hours. It dropped down to here. So we have 4 lines from previous movement. So we'll see where it lands today. Okay, Bank of America. Downtrending. So I had a couple of green days right here. And they're coming down. It looks like it's gonna keep coming down. So it doesn't look too promising. But let's make some lines. See that? Over here. Let's see if it breaks up today. Let's get a little closer. Get some lines. I mean, it's an obvious downtrend. I wonder if yeah, let's wait. Let that one play out a little bit. Okay, so now we're looking 5 minutes for Barclays. Oh, it's a credit card, I think. Credit card company, financial services, right? Banks, yep. Okay, so downtrending after 1, 2, 3. Looks like 3 green days. Let's see. Not a lot of movement though. It doesn't seem like there's too much volume going on. I don't even know if these lines are going to mean anything because overall it's downtrending. It's not working. Yeah, overall it's downtrending, so but let's add it, see where it breaks. It's either gonna go below these or above them, and then there might be a chance for us to get in if it breaks that downtrend. Okay, so this is pre-market highs. I mean, it went up as high as 23.9, but that's a big drop. It's let's say 17 to 24. So that's, why am I blanking out? So $7 and it's continuing to drop, so it's a big drop right there. All right, let's see if it's gonna beat out this resistance up there. We got GE again, downtrending. Yeah. Downtrending, big time too. That's some big drops. I mean, it's gotta break this, so. Right? Flat, and then start moving. And then start moving. You know? Yeah, I think a lot of these are gonna be dropping today. I wonder if it means the market is gonna be hurting today. Might have to pay attention to my Robinhood positions. Yeah, that's one huge gap up right here. $1, I hit $2, so doubled in the pre-market. But now it's starting to downtrend. Yeah. Let's see if it follows that. Noah, wow, another big 542, and it went, oh my god, that's tripled. Wow. Okay, that's gotta be some kind of, is there any news? What kind of news do we have here? Healthcare stocks climb pre-bell Friday. Wall Street tips lower pre-bell. White House Hong Kong responds in focus. Healthcare's up. Sonoma Pharmaceuticals up more than double. Disinfectant gets Australian Register of Pharmaceutical Goods approval. I don't know what that means. Sonoma Pharmaceutical stock nearly tripled after disinfectant allowed to carry COVID-19 label in Australia. Oh, that's why. Yeah. I mean, if it triples, what are the chances it's gonna keep going, right? I mean, I don't know. I don't know. It seems like it's probably oversold and it's gonna start dropping. But we'll keep an eye on it. See what happens. This one's pretty random, man. Look at all this volatility. No wonder people get into it. I mean, it looks pretty wild. So, okay, so that's the marks. Let's go over to the flexible grid. We're gonna put which one are we interested in? Let's see what Sonoma is gonna do. Put that in the yellow. Zoom in, and then we just go back and forth between these here. Okay, so we're starting out at 996.18, which again is less than yesterday. We have what's that? We have 796 available to play with today. So if we do, we can probably do, what's that? $500. We're going into a weekend, and so if we're doing $30 moves, $30 transactions, so that's 500 divided by 30. It's about 16, 17 transactions somewhere on there. I'll keep the calculator up just to help us out. But I got 8 minutes and my stomach is hurting, guys, so I hate to leave the stream, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. Just go ahead and enjoy the music. I'll pump it up a little bit and then I'll be right back. Is there a way to put like a, let me see if I can get this thing to work here. Image text. There's no color. Oh, right here. Okay, guys, so I'll be right back. All right, thank you guys. Looks like the market is open. Let me move this off the screen. All right, thank you for standing by. And let's get started. So I'm not going to jump in it like I did yesterday. I was in and out of a trade for a loss yesterday within the first few minutes. We don't want to do that today, obviously. Let's go ahead and start looking for something to get into. Looks like a lot of these are going to continue to drop. The one that we were looking at, Snoa, even though it's tripled its value since yesterday, it looks like it's going to go up right now. People are excited about it, it looks like. But we're going to wait for it to settle. There's definitely going to be short sellers as soon as it look at this one. This one's also doing the same thing. CGC, which we got into it earlier this week. So this one's moving from 13 and it's up $1.50 so far. Crazy. Okay, this one's already correcting. So as you can see, this one's doesn't have the same type of movement anymore. GE might be recovering, I'm not sure. This market. Did I put the volume up? No, okay, we're still good. Alright, so that one might be recovering, I'm not too sure. Wow, look, that's Snoa. Okay, this one's going red, red, red. Okay. And this one might be coming back down. Okay, let's give some time to recover. See that? So there we go. See that? So if you got in right when it opened, $13, you could have potentially gotten up to close to 15 before short sellers started doing something about that. As I mentioned yesterday, a lot of the pharmaceutical companies dealing with COVID-19, either vaccines or preventions, any of that stuff have been getting investigated for falsifying false claims or somehow making people believe that whatever they're doing is related to. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's going to keep going. Interesting. I would have definitely gotten out as soon as I saw all that red. And I guess people are brave. Or a bunch of people came in and tried to. Yeah, I'm not sure. What do you guys think? What's the psychology for that? You know, it opens up in the green after tripling in the pre-market, and it just continues to go green. And so you see that huge drop right there. Was it a fake out? You think this third candle here was a fake out? I mean, potentially, right? Because now we're talking about going even and then coming back down below that. So somebody just lost a lot of money. Okay, so yesterday I made the mistake of getting in after something like this happened. And see, if I would have done that, it would have dropped down. So good thing I didn't do that today. The SOA, it's very interesting though, I'm not gonna lie. I wonder what's gonna happen with this one today. Okay, let me check my Robinhood balance real quick just to see if I'm gonna be having to sell anything on that side. So we're up 61. Oh, what is going on here? If I go from, I gotta refresh this. Something's wrong. It goes from $40-something to $600-something. Okay, so we're up $64 for now. It looks like it's going back down though, so we'll see. Look at that, volume just slowed down significantly over here on Snoa. So I guess people bought into it. Short sellers, everybody got out from the previous day. And now it's back down to here. Very, very, what do you call? Minimal movement there. Oh, look at that. It almost got, it got paused, right? Yeah, it got paused. Yeah, it dropped so fast, so much, so fast that it got paused. Look at that. Remember, anytime it drops more than 15% in a certain time period, it gets trading gets paused. So that's probably what happened here. From 1549 down to 13, and so it got halted. This one looks like it's moving up. Let's see. It was downtrending before the market opened though. So let's see if it maintains that. Okay, so we'll keep looking at that. Bank. Okay, so this one looked like bottomed out. I'm looking for a second bottom that's higher than this one. So that's going to be my entry. Once it comes down and recovers from this one, I'll get in. If it goes above the previous high, I'll stay in. If it starts dropping, I'll get out because yeah, I've done the mistake of seeing a lower high and sticking in and staying in there. And for the most part, it's been a bad decision to stay in it. As you can see, this one, the volume isn't really crazy. It is going up. It was downtrending, so we'll see if it passes this line here. CGC, that one's still kind of up and down. It's almost like a side movement. I don't know if I'm gonna get in this one yet. GE, okay. So we see GE going up. We're waiting for a higher low. This one, I mean, is it gonna follow this trend here? Remark, it's another pharmaceutical, I think. Remark Holdings. Remark, is that the retailers? Remark, I think so. Not retailers. Real estate company. Okay, this one's not doing much. It's pretty flat. I was experimenting on one yesterday that looked like this, and I ended up losing. Okay, this one, can I consider that an uptrend? I don't know. I didn't pass this previous one, so maybe just passed it just enough to be considered a higher high. Okay, looks like it's struggling right here. Let's move this line up. Are you gonna give me a higher high? Higher low? There's another one right here. It was downtrending, but now it's struggling right on this price. How much are you struggling with this one? Okay, this one's moving up from 568. We're looking at 575, a few cents. Okay, I think it's gonna come back down, so we'll wait for that. See how I had this big green right here, right at the previous support resistance, and then it kind of bounced off of that. Okay, so that's a significant line here. So we're gonna wait for it to come back down to that. Okay, so this one got started trading again after being halted. Okay, this one's having trouble up here. That's GE. We're looking for the bottom of that one. Okay, this one is down here. It's coming back up. Look at that. People are messing with that right now. It's gonna get hold to the end. Watch. People are trying to milk it. This is technically a higher high. I mean a higher low next to a higher high. So it might be something to look at. It's not great. It's not a great sign though. See that? It's already dropping. So we'll see if it stays with that. Did we get hold to the end? It did. Told you guys. Got hold it again. Super excited about that one. Okay. Oh, look at this. This one's pretty close to where we put this line. Let's move it up a little bit. Hold it again. Interesting. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna put back over my guess I like how it looks, but then I'm only gonna be able to buy one share, and if it hits 24, yeah. Okay, I'll put right now. So this one and GE. You know what? GE is cheaper, so I'm gonna put GE on the other graph. So we might be able to get into it for a little bit better outcome, hopefully. This one's definitely recovering, so we might be able to get into that one as well. Let me look around first. Bring this line down. Give me a resistance line. This one, let's put another one here because GE. Okay, I'm waiting for another green for this one, but see how I didn't get to this next one? So that might be something. It seems like it's downtrending, so we just keep an eye on it. We keep an eye on it, but it might be downtrending. This one's struggling to go past here. Move this line up. Okay, it might be recovering, but it's downtrending, so we'll wait for that. Okay, so it looks like GE is trying to recover. Okay, I want one more line, and we're gonna get in for how much? 30 divided by 6.63. Okay, we'll go 5 shares. We'll go 5 shares. Yeah, let's go 5 shares now. Okay, so we're in for 5 on this side. That was a 344. Okay, so we're in with GE as 664. Okay, and so GE. Okay, so we watch that. At least we get a nice clear. If it gets above this one, we stay in it. If it doesn't reach it, we get out of it. Try to, get our gains there because it's going to show signs of downtrending if it doesn't reach that resistance line. So it's coming back down. Okay, JPS and Recuerdo and what's the name? And am I not reaching? Did I get in too early? I mean, I waited for that second green, so might have been a little too early. We'll find out soon. So JPS is moving up. Aveo still struggling. This one, I wonder if the same thing is gonna happen with this one right here. It shows green, then red, then green. Okay, we'll find out soon. It does look like a higher high though. Higher low. If you're making a mistake, let me get rid of this line since it looks like it's irrelevant now. But right now. Yeah, looks like it's slowed down for sure. Okay, this one's doing the same thing. Let's move this one up. So this one's showing higher highs and higher lows, but okay, so G looks like it's moving. See, when it does this, I think it means it's gonna break out because the bottom is uptrending, even though it's having trouble getting past this line. But is it too early? These are the ones that I'm still not very familiar with. What do you guys think? You guys think I should get into this one before it crosses over? Maybe put like a limit order down here. Okay, so GE is going higher. That's a good sign. So we're gonna stick with that one. Hopefully it comes up a little bit higher and then it dips back down and touches and doesn't go past that. See that? So this is what I'm saying. I think it's gonna be. So we'll wait for this one to come back down to the line. In fact, you know what? I'm gonna put a limit order. How much is that? 18. So we got two shares. Let's go 2 shares at this right here, which is gonna be 1820. 1820, 2 shares, limit order, and you see if that one comes in. Now it's for CGC. I mean, it's uptrending, but it's very recent, so it can turn around on us quickly. It's not reaching. It will though. It's gotta. Okay, so right here, it's gonna touch this. Hopefully it struggles to get past it and continues to move up, but it could continue to drop. So let's see. I'll put a line right here. See if this has any kind of relevance here. Okay, we're up 10 cents. This one, come on, touch it. There it is. Okay. So I knew it was gonna come down. 349, and then we're in it for 1820. Okay, so that's 2. This is CGC. Put that on here. CGC. And I'm only gonna stick to 2 at a time because I've made mistakes before. Now this is coming back down, but it's still higher than before. So as long as it stays above this uptrend, we're gonna stay in it. This one's same. It crossed it. As long as it stays above it, the next this bottom line here will stay in it. So it wasn't a perfect breakout. That's fine. The perfect breakout would be this one, doing another green and coming back down, touching it, and doing that all the way through. But that didn't happen this time. By the way, guys, I mentioned a little bit when I started, but I do feel a lot better as far as sleep goes. Okay, so it's getting hot here in Hawaii, and I mean, I think I'm definitely overweight more than I need to be. So I was a little hot this morning. Waking up, I was a little disoriented, but now that I'm drinking my coffee, I got the fan next to me, and then I have an actual task that I'm looking at here, so I feel a little bit more alert right here. So we're gonna get out of it. I'm gonna let it come back a little bit. Maybe let's see. Let's wait. Let's wait a little bit. It's still pretty close to here, so what do I do? Okay, so GE is proven to be troublesome here. It's still uptrending. I might just have this line wrong, so we're gonna keep that for now. Where do we want to exit? We want to exit at the bottom of this one. Let me move this line, and yeah, if it reaches this line, we're gonna have to take a loss. But again, I'd rather take a small loss than just wait it out and allow it to get deeper and deeper into the red. Okay, so now we want it to cross this line here. This one's starting to break that trend as well. Okay, so we got to pick an exit. Let's see. We got to pick an exit. See, the problem with this one, it's not very clear, so we're going to have to choose this one. So here's going to be our exit. All right, so GE looks like it's starting to recover, and it did stay higher than the previous lows. Previous low. In fact, I'm gonna raise it just a little bit, just to keep it a little tighter. So that's gonna be a higher low right there. This one, it would have to come all the way down here. Well, we'll see. It looks like I got into this one a little bit on the top side, which I did because it started breaking out right there, and I just waited for it to come down and touch. So I'm moving a little slow, but that's fine. We got 2 shares on this side. We got 5 shares on this side. So it's not gonna be a big play just because of the price, especially if it has trouble going up, which but even if it's not gonna, even though it might not be a big win, it should not be a big loss unless something crazy happens and it just drops. So right now this is just practice. Yeah, so now it's touching here, so that whole high low is out the window, and we might have to get out. So I'm looking at the bottom of this right here. If the next red is below that, then we're gonna definitely have to get out. Just playing with that line. So let me see something. Let's make this. Okay. It's having trouble getting past this resistance up on top. It's the second attempt. It was a little higher though, so okay. So this one's starting to break down. Okay. So how we're gonna look at right here. It's interesting. Man, I thought it was gonna be easy on this one. I guess nothing's easy. See that? So it's all how you look at it. Now, this is the line that looks more appropriate. And so if that's the case, then I was way early. Wow, look at this. This is down 90 cents over here. Wow, from 782, 17. Yeah, it's just coming down. I'm gonna have to lose some money on this one. Yep. Should I wait till it gets down here? I might have misread it. I'm not sure. This one as well. Look at that. Let's see. You never know. You never really know. They're both acting pretty similar. I'm definitely losing more on this one. Look at that. With 2 shares, I'm losing more than with 5 shares over here. Where is it going to recover? Where are you going to recover at, my friend? Come on. Alright, these trends are definitely broken. So what are we looking at now? Wow, I'm holding my breath. I did not see that coming, guys. I thought it was a clear uptrend. GE still dropping. See, the problem with letting it get this low, which is a mistake, guys, don't do what I'm doing right now, is that it might not even reach my entry. It might just tease me and then just continue to drop. So where do I get out? Do I wait for it to get close to the green, my entry? Or do I get out now that it's higher than before? You know what I mean? So that's the issue. It's proof perfect. You can't. Nobody knows what's gonna happen with this price. Nobody. Yeah, this one's not holding up. Hmm. This one's still looking at lower. We're going lower. Hmm. This one at least is showing some kind of movement upwards, but it could drop at any moment. So somebody can just decide that they're gonna sell all their stuff and then it's gonna drop. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut losses on this one. It's kind of way too low. It's not recovering either. I should cut losses up here to 10 cents instead of being down 45. I'll tell you one thing, stock market stuff is fascinating. Very, very interesting. It's like a living thing. You can't control it. You can try, you can never really control it. So now I'm working in the red. Now I'm just hoping, holding and hoping. At any moment it could drop again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green candles on this side. So there's nothing that says that the next one won't drop. This one is not working. So I got in at 664, it looks like. And the highest I could have gone for profit, 671. Less than 10 cents. On so 60 cents. It's not how I want to start my day, guys. Man, look at how fast it went from 1834 to 1750. And then how slow it's going back up. Yeah, this one, man. Should I just cut my losses on this one, guys? Because it's definitely struggling. It's always see, this one's starting to slow down. So it's kind of starting to get flat. I wonder if that means I need to get out. This one's messing with me now. Yeah, starting to drop. See that? Starting to get flat. RSI is still in the middle though. That's what I don't understand. Look, this one says undersold. Maybe you shouldn't depend on indicators, but what else do you got? I'm just watching it drop lower and lower. I'm gonna have to cut it over here, guys. I let it go too long already. And it's always, it's probably just gonna bounce up as soon as I get out. But that's just man, starting with a loss. Another good motivator. 652. It's gonna start recovering. Watch. Okay, so we're out of GE. Break. We're getting to something else. Let's move this one over to the other side so we can browse around. Yeah, so we're gonna make sure. Well, I'm gonna flatten it if anything. Yeah, this one I should get out of this one too. But okay. Avail is uptrending. It's probably gonna come back down. This is the one I should have gotten into. See that? Son of a bitch. Look, they all look the same. It's gonna shoot up right here. I put an alarm because I don't want to get fooled. Hmm. Not a great start, guys. Not a great start. This one's definitely downtrending here. Are they gonna drop soon? Oh, look at that. After I got halted twice, kept going up to 19. It's crazy. That's 4 times the previous close. It's crazy. So if I would have put 30 bucks on a swing trade, it would have been 60, 90, 120. I'm gonna have to cut my losses on this CGC. Yep. Son of a bitch. Another loss, guys. In the meantime, these are freaking exploding up here. Oh man. $1.40 right here. $4.13, second loss of the day. That's 51. What the? That's a 10 cents difference right there. Oh, that's 10 cents. No wonder it was moving so fast. 16. Oh, okay. It's a big range. Okay, well, my confidence shot. I definitely don't want to chase this one. So let's look around. Let's put our veil on this side. So we can watch it, see what's gonna happen with that one. See if it goes below that red. Look at this one. It's gonna shoot up too. Watch. I mean, how would you know going down here it's gonna start moving up right here? Not a huge difference, anyways. 20 cents. Is it going down to this line or is it going down to this line? What do you guys think? Is it following the trend or is it gonna hit this previous resistance? Look at that. What about this one? Is it gonna break through? Or is it gonna come back down? No idea. Divided by 260. 11 shares. I have no idea if it's gonna go. See that? You just don't know. It could shoot up on the next one, it could drop down. Okay, let's look at 4 shares up here. I don't know if it's gonna keep going or if it's gonna start recovering. I just don't know. I guess that's the point, right? We're just guessing. Starting to slow down. Starting to look like it's moving up. But nothing says that it has to. So let's look at screw it. Let's get in it. I mean, I could be 100% wrong with here. 417. 825. 825 seems kind of high. Jeez, what happened? Okay, so we're actually shoot. I forgot to get out of. Okay. All right, so I got out of the other one earlier. Good thing I didn't get into this one. Let's see what this one's gonna do. Man, you start out with 2 red transactions, 2 losing plays. Your confidence is shot. Look at this one right here. We'll get into this one. Screw it. Let's get it. Let's get in it. 30 divided by 145. 20. Let's go 20 shares even. Let's get in there. I don't know what's gonna happen. Probably gonna lose money. 419. Oops. I only need 1. And it's gonna start dropping because that's how it works. Breathe. Of course. I'm down 80 cents. I just got in. I'm already down 80 cents. I rushed it. Yeah, as long as it doesn't cross that line, looking good. This one's already struggling. Look at that. It already did like a little pump. Green, green, red, red. Right when I went where I went in. God damn it. Fuck. Sorry, I don't like cursing, but man, this is frustrating. Very frustrating. 422. I'm already out for a loss of $1.48. $1.38. Nothing's going my way today, man. 7, 8, 6, 2, 5. It's three red. I hope this one makes up the difference, man, because this is getting ridiculous. Ah, here we go. Party. Be my savior here, party. Yeah. Veil, you failed me. How are you gonna go? What are we looking at here? Maybe here? Maybe not. Okay, you were struggling here earlier. You're downtrending. So are you gonna make it to this red line? I'm not sure. Struggling already. Should I just take my... I'm just gonna get out. Struggling. Wrong one. $4.24. $1.47. It's gonna keep going. See, I got out too early. Ugh. Okay, my laptop's shutting down, guys. I didn't have it plugged in. Am I out? I'm out of all of them. I didn't even put that one on. I didn't even put party on there. Still moving. You just never know, man. You just never know what's gonna happen. I'm just watching these explode, and how can this one continue to move up? How is that possible? Look at that. I'm not sure what to do, guys. The ones that are looking good seems like I'm a little too late for them. I don't really want to get into the ones that, look at that. God damn it. That's 40 cents right there. I mean, it was already oversold up here and it continued to climb. the RSI. Hmm. I don't really know where to get in. Uh-oh, it's gonna freeze up. See, GE starting to have higher highs again. Very slow. Don't want to get in it again. Look at this. I feel like if I get in it, it's gonna drop. I'm gonna get in this one again. I just, I don't know. I just want to get something. That's not a good. That's not a good way of putting it. But it feels like this one might reach. How much did I get earlier? 20. So we're gonna do another 20, and we're gonna do it right at 141. Let's do. We're in it again. 36. I could be wrong. Probably am. What's up with this music? 141. In it again. Yeah, we gotta try something. We gotta look for some kind of win. All right, so this one looks promising right now. So I'm back in at PT. RT. We're getting to this one right around this line right here. It might come all the way down here though. Let's get it at 280. See what happens. Oh, I didn't catch. Let's just get in. Oh my god, please don't make me lose again. Oh. Well, this one looked good till just now. And obviously this one's probably gonna touch 280 where I had my price set. Oh my god, come on. Watch me lose my gains on this one. I'm not crying, guys. I guess I don't know what I'm doing. Well, at least they're both starting to slow down. Hopefully, go up. I'm down 20 cents, 30 cents on this one, 67 cents on this one. For a total of, what was it, $4. I get worried when price starts slowing down because it can go in any direction, especially when you see this downtrend here. Goodness gracious. Down 80 cents on this side. Do I want to let it get down here? What's gonna happen? I'm down $1.11 on this side, 80 cents on this side. What's the overall market doing? Ooh, man, I'm down 234 on Robinhood. I wonder if it's done moving up. It might be. I think I got in too late. I'm just watching it go lower and lower with no signs of like support or resistance. Why am I letting it get so low? I should have gone out over here, man. GRNQ mark is below. GRNQ. Was that something I got in today? No, that's from a previous day. Let's just watch. Should gone out at 278. Look at this. It's just teasing me now. Man. Very interesting, guys. So this one, slow down right here where I was supposed to get out. He's continuing to move. So that one looks like it's recovering. Hopefully it goes past the green. Yeah, if it crosses this line again, I'm out. This one, it's getting held up pretty good by this support here at 137. I need it to go past 142. Oh, of course. Of course, come on, get up there. You should be able to get out. Right here, right at that. What should have been my exit point before. That's where I'm struggling. Okay, I'm back in the green with this one. Is it gonna break out? I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen with this one. I've been sitting in red for a while. Yeah, this one's breaking down. I wonder if I should do a trailing stop over here. Just mess with that for a little bit. Coming back down. Come on, man. Come on, man. Oh, jeez. Look at that. Teasing me. Teasing me. Very slow. Are they even gonna move up after this? Sounds like I'm hearing voices. Higher low. Maybe. These, they're both doing kind of similar things right here with it. They look like they're gonna start uptrending, come back down, and at least this one is they're both higher lows right now. They move very slowly. Nope, this one's breaking down again. Oh. I don't know why I can't get it to be. What are you gonna do? Come on, guys. Make me some money. Make me some dough. I'm gonna struggle at this point again. I mean, higher highs, higher lows. So it looks good right now. It seems like I just got in a little too early. I got in 4 cents too early. Seems like, well, we'll see. This one I got in. Geez. Wow. 69, 14 cents too early. Nothing says it can't drop though. That's the thing. This one's starting to move, but it's gonna struggle right here again, I think. Okay. If it gets above this one, I'll keep it. If it can't get past here, then I'll get rid of it. So let me move this one up. It's back down again. I'm back in the red. How many times? 1, 2, 3. It's my third time in the red with this one. This one's starting to break down. Break it down right here. I'm back in green for the third time. Back in red for the fourth time. If it breaks through, we're in good shape. If it doesn't, I am outies. Okay, so I did this before, so I'm not gonna get overly excited. This might be just faking me out to a big drop. I'm not sure. Come on, give me some dough. Wanna get money, wanna get. I wonder how it would be if Harry Mack was doing this. If you don't know who Harry Mack is, he's a freestyle rapper that's insane. Like he just comes up with verses like ridiculous. Like nothing. I can't even come up with a word that rhymes with dough. Mo. What's a mo dough, yo? Yep. Breaking down again. Messing with my emotions, yeah. See? It's not passing. It's not getting above it, man. But it's getting higher. Like, what do I do, man? What do I do right here? I'm struggling with this one, but it's coming higher on this one. Man, I keep hearing my daughter screaming. I can't tell if they're freaking having nightmares or in a party. See, once you get on later on in the day, so right now it's 5:15 here, so the market's been open for going on 2 hours, almost hour 45 minutes, and it just starts slowing down. You know what I mean? So it still moves. It could potentially some. I'm sure some stocks are gonna double or triple. Man, my daughter's screaming a lot. Um, but it just moves so slow. And as I mentioned before, I don't want to be in front of the screen all day. I mean, that's what I do, watching YouTube, streaming on Twitch and this. But look at this. It's breaking down again, man. Come on, bro. Look. And this one's still struggling with my previous entry. I don't know what to do, guys. I don't know. It's going lower. It's struggling with this. I mean, I know I said I was going to get out of it, but I still don't want to lose 73 cents. You know what I mean? It's not about the 73 cents or 78 cents. It's about the losing, the red. You know, if I sell, it's going to be my third red for the day. But look, how is my previous entry somehow become the resistance here and here? How does that work? Like, is somebody looking at my graph? You know what I mean? Because really, before that, I mean, there was a resistance a little bit higher than where I came in at the last time. But look at that, it's rebounding, it's bouncing off my previous entry. And it looks like it's uptrending. This one too, it looks like it's uptrending, well, kind of. Looks like it's flattening out right here. So even if it hits again and it doesn't cross, I mean, from what I've seen, it should break out. But it doesn't want to do that. It wants to break down. Look at Party Man. Look how many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 attempts at crossing this previous entry. That's a lot. One, and before I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it failed. Now we're sitting. Look at the Mexican flag: green, white, red, or Italian flag, whatever. Yeah, this one's breaking down again, and it's hitting lower lows. One, two, three, four, five, six. Is that number 6? And it's not crossing. Not crossing. Why? Why is it not crossing? What are people looking at? It's not an even number. It's 144. I mean, it's an even number, but it's not like a, like a 150 or $1 or something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm still sitting at 6. 6 attempts to break through my previous entry. And it's number 7 right now. It's gonna break down like it did over here at 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and then it's 7. So 8 start breaking down. That's amazing. How do they know? Yep. Yep. Right here, you gotta break through right here. Come on, break out. To the top side. You're below the VWAP, so you know you want to go up. This side, at least it's above the VWAP, so I can understand why it would want to come down to it. With this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're looking at number 8. 8th attempt. It's very interesting. Very, very interesting. See, the problem that I see with staying flat like this over here on the party is that it breaks down any previous pattern. So it could shoot up just as easily as it could shoot down. You know what I mean? And so right here, I mean, it's not like there's a point where I know for sure what's gonna happen. But if you're here for this particular point, I have no idea, like 0. You know, at least over here you can be like, okay, well, it's moving up. But once this happens, I have no idea. See, this one's breaking down again. I've been in the red the entire time. Look at that. Like I bought in and then boom, red, and it's just been red the whole time. And this thing's been between 143 and 144. I mean, I'm gaining, but I just wanted to break through, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're at 10 minutes sitting between 143 and 144. This one is breaking down, man. I should just get rid of this one. But I'll be patient and wait until it hits this. Ooh. This music definitely matches the current motion right now. Come on, I need a big one for this week. Two of my biggest losses so far, breaking down, have been this week. But my Robinhood account has been moving up. It's not like the market's dropping. It's just I'm making bad picks, bad entries. See? Look how long it struggled to go. You get past this and now it's breaking down. I'm about to go back into the red. Yep, I'm back in red for the 4th time. And it's breaking this upward trend. Why here though? Why 144? Like, I don't understand why 144. It's almost like they can see my graph. I know it sounds ridiculous, but why 144? Did a lot of people going into it here? Is everybody just thinking identically and they're like, okay, let's all go in at 144, and then they just fail to get out? I don't know. What is it? I need to read more on the psychology of this, man. I've been watching penny traders, some videos, some training videos on penny trading, penny stock trading. And I mean, they have a lot of theories, and I'm sure it helps. But even with the Humble Trader, which I use her journal to track all my trades, I mean, it sounds like she puts in a lot of work. But at the end of the day, it's all about an entry and exit, right? So if you get coming in and getting out on the same day, how much research do you really need to do? Are you gonna break through this time? See, the problem with this one here, the mark, is that, see, it can only break down, right? I mean, it's flat down here. Oh my god, let me get out already. Frustrating. 527 for a loss of $1.72. And it's probably gonna pick up somewhere. And I got 266. So now this is my only hope right here. And it's breaking down again. It still can't go past 144. Why? Why 144? Look at this one. This one I bought, went red, sold, and it's just been slowly moving back up. Three losses for today, guys. 3 losses. And if this one continues, I mean, I don't even know what to say about this one. This one's breaking down. And remember, I almost got into this one earlier. I think I was going to get in right here. This one is not. Why is it having trouble with 144? Look at that. Over here, 1, 2. It broke through once, came back down, and struggled again and again and again. Multiple times. Look at that. That's not one wick coming above 144. I want somebody to explain this to me, man. This is crazy. Like right now, it's sitting at 144. Again, it has to break out as soon as it comes in, right? Look how many times it has to break out. Is that not insane to you guys? Am I the only one? Okay, this one's downtrending. There it is. Finally. How long are you going? Are you going to shoot up? Are you going to break out to the hemisphere, to the freaking skies? What happens now? Like after you had all this trouble crossing it, now you crossing it. Now what's going to happen? Are you going to break back down? I'm very curious. Very, very curious. Just nothing. Nobody else is watching this. I just think it's amazing. Look at this. Look at these two are exactly, oh, not exactly the same, but pretty close. Look at that, it's coming back down. Man. I got it at the bottom. I got out at the bottom, of course. I sit in the red forever and get out and it starts to move back up. Yep, nothing. All that time at 144, it breaks through and nothing. This one's just falling. Man, I am down $3.61. So that's going to be the third largest loss all in 1 week. Largest, second largest, and the third largest so far. I'm not even like tired today, so. I don't have an excuse for today. A veil. It's up 80 cents. After I got out, of course. I never got into this one, but it's breaking down. I have no idea what's gonna happen with this one. This one's at the bottom. I wonder if I can try this one. Barclays. Should I? What do you guys think? Downtrending though. And it's bottomed out a couple times already. 40 divided by 5.67. 5 shares. Let's do 5 shares of this. Oh, I forgot to get out of the mark. And a few. Ooh, yeah, let's get in. Screw it. Okay. 534. 566. All right, so now we're in BTS. BTS. We are back to 2. Okay. We're up $1. This one broke down immediately after I bought below the previous support. It's not a good sign. So it's already not going according to plan. Yeah, this one is getting ready to pass my previous exit. This is a new low right here. It's BCS, Barclays. How far do I want it to go down? 565. 565 times 0.02. Enter what? 565 times point. Actually, minus. What is going on? 565 minus 5%, and I don't have a percent on here for whatever reason. $536. So 536. Huh? 536. Okay. Is that 2%? 30 cents? What are they going at? 566. 566 minus 2% equals 554. That makes more sense. Oh, it's gonna break down again over here. Coming back down to 144, right? Of course. I wonder if I should have gotten out here, up here on the top. I hope it doesn't come down all the way to here. That would suck. Okay, we're 6 cents on this side. You want it to get here. Definitely don't pass this line. This one, I'll get out if it goes below here. Oh, goodness gracious, guys. I need to learn how to, I need to meditate and learn how to manage these emotions, man. Because, I mean, every entry is not going to be perfect. So you get in, 50-50 chance you're going to go green right away. Because you can go red just as fast. You know what I mean? So I got to be able to manage that. My reaction to that, my perspective to that. I don't know how to explain it. Alright, recovering. Good. It's a good sign on that side. $1.20. Man, I still have a long way to go. I lost a lot already. $3.30. This thing has to move up really, really high for me to make my money back. I mean, and don't forget, I'm still under $1,000, which is where I started at. So right now I'm, what's that? $7. under after 3 weeks. This one's just bouncing back and forth. This one's really slow. We're sitting at 120 on this position here and a 1 cent on this one. And it's not doing much. I mean, it dropped a lot. 6, we could be looking at a potential of, what's the previous close? 5.90, 30 cents. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, the VWAP's up here, so even if it gets up to the VWAP, which is the previous resistance, 571. Not a huge difference. That's 5 cents. 5 cents with 5 shares, not gonna be a lot. 25 cents. A long way from $3.30, especially with the way this one's moving over here. Okay, 6 cents on this one. Does it sound like it needs repeating? Sounds like I heard this one already. Okay, so party's starting to break down. Starting to go down. Should probably get out. Should probably get out and take my gains right now. It's definitely breaking down. Staying above here though. Let's see. Hopefully it stays above that. Gives me a little bit of hope. And maybe it breaks through here. That's the funnel we're working with right now. Come on, I need something to go parabolic, hyperbolic. What is parabolic? Not hyperbolic, I don't know parabolic. Parabola. Parabola. Dun, 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 dun. I like the lighting right now. What do you guys think? It took me a while to get it to where it's at right now. Uh-oh. This one's down. Oh man, I wonder if this one's gonna move all the way down to here. What is the news on party? This one's moving pretty slow. Let's go to party. Can't even see this Microsoft at all. So we're gonna check what the damage is on this side. Okay, I gotta get rid of this one. Okay, so we're looking at, let's see, low pre-bell, White House's Hong Kong response to the focus. Trump to hold press conference on China today. What does it say? MW Party City stock extends gains. Source 72% on pre-market leading volume. Well, I didn't take advantage of any of that. Party City signs transaction support agreement with bondholders holding over 440 million of its bonds. Sure, I don't know what that means. Oh, which one did I buy again? Uh-oh, I forgot. No, BCS. Oh my gosh, don't break down. Stay above it, stay above it, stay above it. Yeah, it was breaking down, man. Lower highs. I hit that line perfectly though. That's impressive. Uh-oh. What's gonna happen? Man, I need patience. Maybe I shouldn't be celebrating right now. It's breaking down. It's breaking down, guys. I'm about to go red again. Party, come on. Give me some money. Hmm. 143, 142.7. Here we go. Another one of these. $143. This one's not doing anything. This one's doing nothing for me. This is breaking down again. And I am back in the red. Did I overstay my welcome? Looks like it. Looks like I did. That was up here. Now it dropped this much. I should have gone now down here. One 140. I'm back in the green. $142, 141, 142. Wow, I've been holding it for a while, man. What 36 minutes, so almost an hour and a half, and I'm still sitting at 9 cents right now. It's not a good trade. This one's doing nothing. So the problem that I'm having is I've been holding it for an hour and a half. I sell right now, even though it's not a good trip, I sell right now. I'm only 36 cents in, which is percentage wise, great, right? $3.40, $3.50, 10 cents. Hmm. All right, guys, we're 3 hours into the stream, and I've only been losing today. So I am. Oh man, I'm down $4.30. I am wondering if it's time to cut my losses. Because this one's barely doing anything. And I'm down 4 cents, so it's not like I'm gonna make big bucks with this one. This one's irritating me because it's going sideways most of the time until it just drops all of a sudden. Yeah, it's just moving between 142 and 143. Very slow movements. I'm only up 30 cents on this position. 80% over the day. It's not a lot. Ah, my gosh. I wonder why some of these stocks you can lose $1 in a second. And this one, after an hour, almost 2 hours of holding it, hour and a half, it's just up 20 cents. Holding it with 20 shares. What is it? Is it the volume? Is it the volatility? The beta? This one sits between 142 and 143. Oh wow, and this just does a massive drop or gain. I mean massive perspective in relations to the previous movement. Look how long I've been holding this. I guess that's why people don't trade after a certain time. Look at this. Got this one 30 minutes ago. I'm down 6 cents. Oh my gosh, guys. This is both exhilarating and boring at the same time. A very interesting combination. I mean, look at how slow this movement is here. But remember how fast I lost it? Remember how fast I went from here to here? And look at that. Oh my God. Damn it, man. I called it breaking down over here and I still held on to it. Now I don't want to get rid of it because it's going to be another red. These are all crappy stocks, man. All of them. This one looks like it's shifting. But you never know. You just never know. See that? Like you don't know what's gonna happen right here. Screw it. Let's do it. 3 shares. And we go in at 976. 177. 77. It went in. $6.11. It's kind of late. And 77. All right, so now we're in on SQQQQQQ. And we need to start getting rid of some of these, man, because I'm not gonna be able to manage all three. This one's not really doing much, so I'll put an alarm, see if it goes below this point. And see if it goes above my entry. And then we'll watch SQQ for a little bit. I'm probably already losing. 3 cents up. Down $4.66 right now. Man, movement is so slow on all of these. I should have dumped it when I saw it break it down up here, man. BCS killing me, man. Can't catch a break, guys. Let's put in an alarm here. See if it goes below this support here. And one to see if it goes above here. It looks like it might. But just want to make sure I move back and forth. And I do not want to lose more money. This one, man. This one's very frustrating. It just goes back and forth a couple pennies. And then just randomly decides to go up or down. Wait, I need a break, man. One of these needs to break out. I need it. Oh, my confidence is gonna be destroyed. It reminds me of recently I've been playing PUBG a lot, and they released their ranked mode, and so I got up to number 2 on the previous version as a solo shooter, whatever, solo player, and then I got to I think I won a couple as a team. And then I got in the ranked mode, and I have not been able to get one kill on the ranked mode. In fact, I started losing experience points after a while, and so my confidence just got shot. And then now that I'm back in the original version, I haven't gotten. I mean, I got a couple kills, but I'm definitely not as good as before, and I was terrible before. So Should I get rid of this one? I should get rid of BCS already. I'm down 14 cents. Look at that. I bought over here and it didn't even go 1 cent. It went up 1 cent and now it's down 4 cents. Yeah, this one's breaking down already. Screw it, I'm gonna get my greens right here. Let it break down without me. Got enough losses today. So I'm out of that one, which is SQQQ. We'll let that one break down a little bit. This one, hopefully you can. I don't think it's gonna get close to recovering. And this one again, just losing like a loser. I held this one way too long already, man. Went on 2 hours to lose 60 cents. I'm kind of curious about something though. I want to do one of those, what do you call? One or the other, what do they call this one right here? OCO. One cancels other, I think. I want to do something like this, but for something that has potential. Look at this. Look at how far I let it come down. I was up here and it dropped 3 times already. What is that? Is that discipline? Is it emotional decision making? What is it? Okay, anything looks promising here? This one, am I still in this one? I am now. Yeah, I'm still in this one. What about this one? God damn it. Ah, why did I let it get so low? 2 hours to lose 30 cents. It's gonna shoot up too. It always happens like that. 36.5. Oh my god. Wow. I am down $5.24. The most so far. I need a winner, man. I need a winner. See, this is expensive right here. $24. Again, one share. What is one share gonna do? Even if I'm at $24.39, I'm gonna get what, 90 cents, 60 cents. This one's uptrending. Let's get into this one. Is that 10? Divided by 347, 8. Let's go 9. Nine single. Should I experiment with this one? Okay, let's go 9. Ask bid. What does that mean? 10 cents. Stop loss. Ask bid. I don't know what this means. Maybe I shouldn't do it. Oh, see? It's going up this way, but it's going down this way. So most likely, it's going to break down. And I'm already losing everywhere else. Look, this one's coming down too. I want to test this though. Just curious. Oh, what does this mean? One cancels other. What does that mean? Okay. Number one, order description. Buy 9 at 347. Open. Buy 9. Stop at 341. Open. know what that means. Trigger target bracket. Enable quantity 9. Value. What is this? Tick offset. Tick offset. Limit. Stop. So what happens? 101 buy 345. Sell. Sell. Stop. Sell plus 1. Plus 1. Plus 1 what? Cents? That's weird. Let's send it. Oh yeah, that's too close. That's too close. Let's cancel. Of course it went in. Of course it went in. 634. And at 345. Okay. Whatever. Let's do sell custom. Let's stop. Sell custom bracket. Sell. Let's sell 9, right? Huh? You want to sell 9. Stock. It's going to be trailing stop. Trail stop. Trail stop limit. $0.10. So what's 2%? 337. 30. Wait, hold on. So that's what? It's 8 cents. Let's go. Let's do 10 cents. Mark. Okay. Yeah, let's see if that works. Send it. Huh? Stop limit are not. Stop limits are not what? Trail stop limit orders are not available at this time. Selling item at 344. Okay, I don't know what that means. So let's do trailing stop. Let's do percentage. Negative 2%. Yeah. Confirm and send. Credit. Oh, no. How do you edit? Edit. So we go at 9. %. A bid. Sell and then like to close credit. Close credit. Oh, Not save. What? I don't know how to use this. How do you convert it into send? Right. So now what are we doing? We're down 14 cents already? How far is it? How come this changed over here too? I didn't even touch this side. So we got these two. Forgot to I'm out of that one. We got May and BCS, and I'm using them both. This one has a trailing stop of 2%, which is what? 337. That makes sense. Is it gonna move though? Okay, guys, I'm gonna put another trailing stop on this BCS. And what is the? Let's check it out. Let's see. Sell. It's gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do. How many do I have? 5. BCS stocks. And we'll go trail stop. The percentage. 2%. And confirm. Right? Confirm and send. Is that it? Send. So what's going? Okay, so that one's gonna be. What's the price gonna be at? 551. Is it 551 from the current price? So 566 minus 2% equals 554. 55. Okay, so I guess it's current price. I didn't want current price. Alright, I'm probably going to lose on both of them, but I'm going to leave them for the end of the day. I'll let you guys know tomorrow. Actually, not tomorrow. We don't have a stream tomorrow. I'll let you guys know on Monday what happened. Also, you can check out my Patreon. I'm going to update at the end of today's trading. I'm going to put screenshots of the graphs, the very terrible day that I had today and yesterday. So I'll put it up for those that are on the Let's Learn Together tier. You'll be able to see the graphs, and then tomorrow I'll release highlights for the entire week. So that's going to be available for anybody that supports me on Patreon, and also it'll be released on YouTube next Saturday. And so tomorrow you'll be able to see on YouTube last Saturday's highlights, last week's highlights. All right, so I'll release that later on tomorrow. But for now, I'm done. We're looking at 3 hours, 42 minutes. Like I said, I didn't want to trade that much and just get slower from this point on, unless something just crazy happens. But I don't want to get used to staying here too long. So we had a bad day today. So far we are down $5.55, which is going to be the most that I've lost since I started. So I'm on my finishing up this. This is the end of the 3rd week, and this is the most that I've lost so far. It's down to 561, so still dropping. So I had my worst days this week, and it's a learning experience. We're learning from it. It's not a lot of money, it's just obviously not something that I want to see. And so, but we'll learn from it. I'll write down the notes. I'll update you guys on Patreon later on today for today and tomorrow for the week. And see you guys on Monday. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like this video, I know it gets kind of slow and maybe boring, especially when I start complaining about price movements and stuff. But hopefully you guys enjoy this. If you did, hit that like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna keep doing these. Again, I might release the vlog this Sunday instead of the Wednesday coming up, so that way I release one video, you know, Monday to Friday the stream, Saturday is the update video for the stream, the weekly highlights, and then Sunday the vlog. And that way I don't do too many videos on the same day. So thank you for watching. Appreciate you. And you know, if you have any questions or any comments, go ahead and write them on the section on the comment section below. And not, yeah, comments. That's right. And then I'll see you guys on Monday. Okay, bye bye.